Hello everyone, so today we are going to solving the pattern 7 question. So let's see what is the pattern 7 question is. So this is the pattern 7 question. So we need to print out this kind of pattern in the console. So it looks like that the all stars are in diagonal. So let's see how we can solve this question. So cut it from here and go to the page. It is not clear, so go back again and cut it from there. So cut it from here, go to the current page, change the size, put it here. Let's see what is happening here. So this is the number of row. Number of row is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number of row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we take a loop for row and column, then what will happen? For int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus, and here also for int j is equal to 1, j less than equal to n, and j plus plus. We take the loop. Now we are going to printing all the stars. So print the stars. So if we print system.out.print all the stars, and in the next line for the tab we are using system.out.println, sys.println, println. Okay, so let's do this code in the console, in the code editor. So for int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. For int j is equal to 1, j less than equal to n, j plus plus. System.out.print the value star. System.out.print the value out.print println for the next line. Now hit the run button and check what we are getting. Of course we are getting the wrong answer, and see what we are getting. We are getting a square shape, but we don't want it. We want this kind of pattern. So see what we can do in this code that we can achieve this kind of pattern. So let's see. If we give the value 5, then it is going to printing the star like this way. Why it is happening? Because see, when I give the instruction that we need to print the star for 5 times, so it comes here and it's going to printing the value for 5 times. So see, in the first line, when I is equal to 1, it comes inside the loop and run the loops for 5 times. Here you can see j is running from till n. That means n here is 5. So for that the inner loop is running 5 times. When the inner loop run 5 times, it will print the 5 stars. Then it comes here. Here it's saw that. Here it see that. Here it see that. Then this is the system.out.println. That means we need to go to the next line. So it comes here. It comes to the next line. Now I becomes 2. It comes here, and then the jth loop run again, and it will print the 5 stars again. Then it comes here. We see here that this is a system.out.println. That means we need to go to the next line. Next line it comes here and do the same thing. That's why we are getting a square type of pattern. So what we can do for achieving this kind of pattern? We can do that. We can do this way. See one thing, see carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here see, when the rows value and the columns values are same, we are getting a star. See, when the rows are 2 and columns is also 2, we are getting the value star. Rows 3, columns 3, we are getting the value 3. Rows 4, column 4, we are getting the value, so we are getting output as star. rows 5 and the column 5, we are getting output as star. So what is happening? When here I is the row, and think that I is here row and j is here column. So when the value of I is equal to value of j, then we are going to print the star. But if it is not the condition, then we are going to printing the spaces. Then we can achieve this kind of pattern. So let's implement that. What I say here, if I is equal to j, that means we are going to printing the spaces here. Else, sorry, spaces, we are going to printing the star here. Else we are going to printing system.out.print, we are going to printing the spaces. So /t. Now see, if we hit the run button, see, first hit, okay, hit the run button, see that what we are getting in the output. Here you can see we are getting the similar type of pattern in the output screen. That means this is the correct answer. So let's submit it and check all the test cases are passed or not. Here you can see all the test cases are passed, and so we get the correct answer. So this was the answer. Hope all of you enjoy this video and learn something from this video and learn how to solve this kind of problem. We will see similar type of pattern in the next video. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.